Today I'm going to show you how to crochet neat looking crochet stitch. So this is the stitch that I'm going to teach you how to crochet. As you can see here, I have made few squares with this neat looking stitch. So I'm going to make a patchwork crochet cardigan with these little squares. So the square size is 13 centimeters by 13 centimeters. So I used few different colors to crochet these squares, which is suitable for my next project. So today I'll be showing you how to crochet this neat looking stitch. It's called moss stitch. So to crochet these squares, I used this medium weight 5-ply cotton yarn. So this one is cotton blend yarn, and for that yarn I'm going to use 4mm crochet hook. So let's get started. To begin, I'm going to make a slip knot, then work chain 30. So to crochet this stitch, we have to work multiple of 2 plus 2. So in that case, I'm going to crochet chain 30. So here is my 30 chains. Now I'm going to work a single crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert your hook into the 4th chain and make a single crochet. Then chain 1, skip 1 and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. So we're going to continue work until we reach to end of this row. So we are working chain 1, skip 1 and 1 single crochet. So this is my last stitch in row 1. Now we have to work chain 2 and turn your work. In row 2, we're going to work 1 single crochet into the chain space. Then chain 1 into the single crochet stitch on top of the single crochet stitch. So here I have made chain 2 and turn my work. Then 1 single crochet in the chain space. Then work chain 1 and 1 single crochet in the next chain space. Chain 1 and 1 single crochet in the next chain space. So continue work until you reach to the end of this row. So at the end here, we have to work into that skipped chain 3 here. So insert your hook into that space and work your last single crochet stitch. Then we are done with row 2. Begin row 3, chain 2 and turn your work. So from now on we are going to repeat row 2 for the entire project. So I'm going to work 24 rows, total of 24 rows. to get the size of my square here. So the square size is 13 centimeters by 13 centimeters. To get that size, I have to work 24 rows. So we are working chain 1 and 1 single crochet in the chain space on your previous row. Make sure to work into that last chain 2 space here. Continue, repeat this until you get total of 24 rows. So here I'm done with my last stitch. Now we can cut the yarn. Then I'm gonna weave the yarn tail with my yarn needle. So here we are done making our square, and this is the final look of the Morse stitch. And I'm gonna continue make these squares to crochet my patchwork cardigan, and I'll be showing you that in my next tutorial, how to join these squares together and bring it into patchwork cardigan. And that's all for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe me and press the bell icon to receive notifications for my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.